Now we move on to the demo side of our app. Once you click on the app, you're met with a login page. And here you're supposed to put in your username and your password. Note that the password and the username are going to be the exact same as the ones that were given in the homeworks. Once you finish logging on, you're met with the profile page where it's just a bunch of profiles stacked up onto each other. When you click on the little arrow, it will show you a more detailed view of the information that the user put in. So this is Rick's profile right now, and as you can see, it's pretty empty. When you click on the profile page, you're met with a profile pic of yourself and a progress bar showing how complete your profile is. Clicking on the pencil, you're met with an ability to modify the contents of your profile. The first part is the pictures, where you're able to upload pictures from your phone onto your profile. Then there are more general information about the type of person you are, what you want to do, your gender, your age. All these information is going to be visible to the users and will affect how the users see you and the order that you are shown to your users. So you can just see me editing my basic information, like when I'm awake, if I smoke or if I have pets. And after that, there's a little section of about me where basically you can just put whatever you want. You can be as creative as you want, or you can put in the hard needs of what you want to find as a roommate. After that, there's a section called interests, where it basically shows all the interests that you're interested in. So some people could be interested in piano, music, whatever. We have that. So I'm just going to put in my interests so that other users can see what I would like to do. And all of them are shown as buttons so that they look better on the preview. After doing that, there is a preferences page where it shows where it's fed into the system to see what type of users are shown to me. Finally, there is a preview button that shows how my profile is going to look when other users look at my profile. And this is pretty helpful for having a general sense of what other users are looking at when they look at your profile. Once we finish, we notice that the progress is complete and there's no more incomplete issue. Now to see the recommendation system in work, this is currently a profile that we see on the display. And we can go down and change our preferences to, let's just say, female. And then we see that we have the 2 females in the class at the very top of the stack. The UI is also pretty intuitive when you're trying to use it, because when you swipe, it will automatically show a dope or a nope, which signals to the user if you want to match with the person or if you just don't want to room with the person at all. And once you swipe out, you are met with a new profile and a new profile after that. And this is Tenki's profile that we have. We also have a blog page where it shows a bunch of internet articles related to everything about housing, finding roommates, and subleasing. We have a search bar on the top where you can narrow your feed to be more specific towards your needs. So for instance, if you're rooming in New York, you can click on it and filter from New York feed. And once you click on the link, it'll bring you to a Safari view of the link, all within the realms of our app. You can click on links there, you can scroll and act as if it's a regular website. And that is basically our blog view. In the third section of our app is the one that handles the matching and the FaceTiming and chatting with our profiles. When you click on it, you can see all the users that are interested in you, and you can either accept their request or deny it. When you accept it, the profile moves to contacts, and you have the option to call the user and FaceTime them. So right now I'm gonna call Tenki, or Tenki's gonna call me, and I have the ability to cancel or call. So when I click on it, my camera's there and we can just have a FaceTime video. Okay, for the last part, we're just gonna go to the main view and we're just gonna scroll through the profiles to see how a regular user would be using the app in their day-to-day life. So the profile user would just be going through, looking at a specific profile, looking at a person that they're interested in, clicking on the little tab to see if they're really interested in the person or if they don't want to room with them. And we're just going through all the users. We're able to look at all the pictures and we're able to see all the interests that they have immediately. And this is what we have.